Princess, Rox, and Seth are in the bottom 3 this week, but one of them is safe.
May pagkakataon ka pang ipagpatuloy ang starstruck dream mo? Princess Nell!
Alright, please join the rest of the survivors. And at this point, we'd like to ask our 3 council members if they would like to use their Factor 2 powers.
Ibig sabihin ng Factor 2 sa pamamagitan ng kanilang one-time unanimous decision ng council, pwede na nilang matigil ang tanggalan tonight. So, let's ask the council, gusto nyo bang matigil ang elimination? Yes or no? Manay Lolit?
Mahirap desisyonan to ngayon, di ba? Maganda yung silang tatlo deserving to stay, pero no.
Miss Iza?
Gaya ng sinabi ni Manay Lolit, sorry, no.
Lastly, Direct Floyd?
No, sorry.
Alright.
Alright, sabi ng council, tuloy ang elimination ngayong gabi. Kaya prepare yourselves.
Seth and Rox. Sa inyong dalawa, tandaan, kahit ano pang mangyari, you will always be part of Starstruck 5 Final 14. And that is a very big achievement.
Starstruck says thank you and goodbye to Seth Cadayona.
Anong masasabi mo?
Actually, nung una, kinakabahan po ako. Pero, nung nakapag-pray na po ako sa taas, sabi ko, siya na po bahala sa akin. So, yun po. Nung natawag yung pangalan ko, pinakalma niya ako kasi para sa akin naman po, si God, may plan siya sa lahat eh. Kung ma-out man ako, manatili ako. So, yun. Okay naman. Kontento naman ako sa nangyari.
Thank you very much, Seth. You've come a long way, and ikaw lang ang nakangiti. So congratulations for making it this far.
Congratulations. Maraming salamat, Seth.
You may now take your final bow because it's time to say goodbye.
Abangan nyo ang challenge namin sa 10 remaining survivors this week. Ang ultimate photo shoot test with Master Lensman, June De Leon.
That's right, Dennis. Dahil sasalubungin natin ang bagong taon with the exclusive 2010 Starstruck Calendar. Kaya survivors, prepare to bare your souls and bodies sa kakaibang test na to na ngayon lang gagawin in all 5 seasons of Starstruck.
Every single test counts, kaya believe in the power of your dreams and survive Starstruck 5 Live! Happy New Year! Merry Christmas!